Go live. Okay. To our live.
How to go live? One video is about Baba, ṣe bá padà wá bí.
Adó tó lọ ẹbí rẹ̀ a máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Okay. Wọ́n ti pé kí ní ìwé wọn.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Akata Imani. Regarding Sharia court in Yorubaland, mostly in Ekiti, we are only soliciting that they should not let it happen. We are only soliciting because if it happens, we Christian and Isheshe, we will raise our own army against them. And by the time the battle begins, there will be nobody for government, nobody that will govern the government, and there will be no person that or anything for commissioner to commission. So we are using this medium to appeal because we know when the battle begins, they will invite Al-Shabaab. They will invite all these jihadists to come and help them. And if any land is
A short address.
So because of that, we are using this medium to tell the whole world and to tell them that in Yorubaland, they should not ever think of it. If they do it, we will rise against them. We will rise in every aspect that we can rise against them. So we are beseeching them, we are begging them, we are telling them because we don't want them to destroy our land. This is our home place. We don't have any other place than this Yorubaland, and we will not allow any foreign religion. You look at me, my name is Sheria, I'm a Christian. Christianity is from Israel. Islam is from Arab. But I want to tell you, that does not mean that I'm not Yoruba, and I will not allow, even if it's from Christianity, we will not allow anything to diminish our land. The only place where God gives to us as a human being to live, and somebody will bring any religion, any foreign something to come and disorganize our peace, our harmony. It's not allowed. If they try it, then we will blow everything off. Everything will be on fire. But we don't want it, and we are warning them. We have seen many videos from afar, from one from Oshogbo, one from Ogbomoso, and we have seen flyers from Abeokuta. We have seen flyers from many places that they are saying the Sharia court. We are just keeping quiet, and we are watching them every minute. If they dare try it, go further this step. The whole land, they want to blow it. We are going to assist. Because we will not fold that. We will raise army. We will raise everything to fight them. We won't allow. Because where Sharia is in Nigeria today, is there any peace in those lands?
No!
In the north, where the 12 states that are saying they want Sharia, and they are operating Sharia, cutting their hand, they have problems with insurgency. And they don't want to bring that to Yorubaland. We think they will fold our hands. Everyone here today, we are Muslim. There are Muslims here, there are Christians, there is such a festival here. Everybody is here. We are one. And we will not allow that to happen. If they try it, if they succeed with any power, we will come against them. We will raise Christian army, we will raise the army against them. We don't want any. So we have to beat them in the name of God. They should not let it happen. Let it Welcome to Ghana. Let's leave it. Let's just say thank you. Thank you very much.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, gbogbo yín lọ wá. Thank God me. Tábà ṣe tẹ̀lé àwọn ọlọ́pàá jáde. A máa lọ.
Oníkálukú máa ló wá gbé mọ́tò ẹ̀ kó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀.
Wọ́n ti gbé àwa báyìí. Ó ti káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé. Àwọn gbé wa. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n gbé wa àwọn dẹ̀ ìgbà pẹ̀lú ìṣẹ́fẹ̀ náà. So àwa náà ò fẹ́ disrespect. Because nígbà tí wọ́n gbé wa dánwò tó fọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn láti wọ́n mọ̀ pátá wa. A fẹ́ yàrá bí àti sọ fún wọn. Ó jẹ́ àtẹ̀sí fún wọn wò. So àwa náà ò fẹ́ tẹ́ wọn. Torí àwọn high command go láti wá. Nǹkan lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe wá bẹ̀ wá pé bàbá ṣe ń lọ sùn tó ní kájú àbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ìtura ẹ má ṣe wàhálà láàrin ilé ìta ti ṣe àrọ̀ tí lọ mọ́ orílẹ̀ ti gbọ́ ilẹ̀ ti kú ẹ̀wọ̀n social media lálẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n voice media ẹ̀wọ̀n bàbá lẹ́kìtì ẹ̀wọ̀n àṣà ẹ̀wọ̀n gbogbo ẹ̀.
Ìfẹ́ ló dùn.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o.
Káàkọ̀ jáde
Báwo ṣe máa rí? How will I get it?
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá máa lídìí wọn wájú, àwọn ọlọ́pàá máa wà lẹ́yìn.
máa fọ́ àwọn nílé.
Gbèsè lọ. Bàbá lẹ́yìn ìkọ́.
Ẹ̀yà gbé nọ́mbà rẹ̀ kí o sọ̀ ní.
So we are waiting for you.
Àwọn kan wà kọ́ máa fẹ́ sá wọ àárín wa tí wọ́n ti dá wà láàrin
ẹ bá ti gbé síbẹ̀ jì jákèjì ibi tẹ bá wà lọ́dọ̀ yìí
Bàbá.
Okay. So everybody, I'm not losing the Miami. Okay.
From Jalaba to go bed, but Mama Julia, Mama Teba. Greek and the ìjọ oníkan láti sọ mo wà náà.
A ní ẹ̀yin ọmọ yẹn Nàìjíríà ẹ filẹ̀ bàbá wa ẹ filẹ̀ fún wa àfẹ́ wàhálà o ẹ máa lọ sí ìpínlẹ̀ bàbá yín ẹ jẹ́ kí àwa ká wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ bàbá wa ní ilẹ̀ Oòduà ilẹ̀ tó kún fún wàrà oyin tó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ eré o káwọn pàdé wọn.
Ó pọ̀ bóyá náà.
ọmọ nílò.
Mommy, yes, mom.
ìjẹ́ nìkan láti sọ.
God bless daddy.
ibo yàn lọ báyìí. ọ̀gá bá wọn ṣe rìn. ok.
Oya oya.
ẹni mọ́rọ̀ mú.
Àwọn olókùn.
Olókun. Báyìí ó yànà níbo ló tún lọ. God bless daddy. Lókùlókù ni kúrò ní lákàtàkàtà lókùlókù ni.
Ẹjọ́ kan máa pààkì kan bọ́ ẹ̀sìn àtàlẹ́ mọ́nítọ̀ rẹ̀.
ṣe dúró tèmi gbà yẹn mo ti ń bọ̀ lákùrẹ́ ṣe dúró tèmi mo ti ń bọ̀ lákùrẹ́.
ó yẹ wọlé tomato.
Ẹni sùúrù. Ẹni tó wà mẹ́rin ló jẹ kó direct ẹ̀ kò ń jò ló máa direct. A sọ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ kan tó kó lè mú wa. So convoy ni.
Ẹni tí mo ibi mo ti lọ gbé.
Ó sùn ọ̀gá. Ìlú lárí lọ sí àdúgbò ló ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
God bless you. Má rojọ́ dọ́là.
Ready to go out. Okay, sir.
Oya pé àjòkó ẹ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ àgbàgbó láìkì rẹ̀ lóko bábọ̀. Fílẹ̀ ó lẹ́sẹ̀.
ẹ̀yin náà ni mo wá ilé tí mo ṣe tó náà.
ìjọ ti kọ́ fún ẹ.
kọ́tẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ kọ́tẹ̀. bàbá kọ́tẹ̀.
ó ti kọ́. Ok, ló lóyún àti ìdílé tí bàbá ẹ̀ túbà. Ẹ pè mí, ṣẹ gbọ́ mi, ẹ pè mí. Bàbá ti ń lọ o. Padà wà bí wà lọ. Mo ń kó àwọn èèyàn lọ sí Fájú yìí náà.
Nọ́mbà mi ti wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ sọ́ ẹ̀.
Bàbá ojú.
Ojú ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nǹkan ẹ̀ sí láìfù máa bí.
Mi ò sí láìpẹ́.